AWS, short for Amazon Web Services, is a cloud computing platform created by Amazon. It provides a wide range of services like computing power, storage, databases, networking, and machine learning, all delivered over the internet. Instead of buying physical servers, companies can rent resources on demand, scale instantly, and only pay for what they use. Today, AWS powers everything from small startups to massive platforms like Netflix. So now, let's break down the major AWS services and see what each one does. EC2. Amazon EC2 is one of the core AWS services. It provides virtual servers in the cloud, allowing you to run applications just like you would on a physical computer. You can choose different instance types depending on your needs, whether it's for basic websites or high-performance computing. Lambda. AWS Lambda is a serverless service that lets you run code without managing servers. You simply upload your code, and Lambda automatically runs it in response to events like file uploads or API requests. You only pay for the time your code is actually running. S3. Amazon S3 is a storage service used to store and retrieve any amount of data. It's commonly used for backups, file storage, and hosting static websites. S3 is known for its durability and scalability. RDS. AWS RDS is a managed database service that supports databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. AWS handles backups, updates, and maintenance, so you can focus on your application instead of managing the database. DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a fast and flexible NoSQL database service. It's designed for applications that need low latency and can scale automatically, such as gaming apps or real-time analytics systems. VPC. Amazon VPC allows you to create a private network within AWS. You can control IP ranges, subnets, routing, and security, giving you full control over your cloud environment. CloudFront. Amazon CloudFront is a CDN that delivers content like videos, images, and websites to users with low latency. It uses a global network of edge locations to serve content quickly from the nearest location. IAM. AWS IAM helps you control who can access your AWS resources. You can create users, roles, and permissions to securely manage access across your system. EBS. Amazon EBS provides block storage for EC2 instances. It works like a hard drive attached to your virtual server and is used for storing operating systems, applications, and data. EFS. Amazon EFS is a scalable file storage service that can be shared across multiple EC2 instances. It's useful for applications that need shared access to files. API Gateway. Amazon API Gateway allows developers to create, publish, and manage APIs. It acts as a front door for applications to access back-end services like Lambda or databases. CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch is used to monitor applications and resources in AWS. It collects logs, metrics, and events, helping you track performance and detect issues. SNS. Amazon SNS is a messaging service used to send notifications via email, SMS, or other endpoints. It's commonly used for alerts and system updates. SQS. Amazon SQS is a message queue service that helps decouple applications. It allows different parts of a system to communicate reliably without being directly connected. Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk makes it easy to deploy and manage applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. You just upload your code and AWS handles the rest. CloudFormation. AWS CloudFormation lets you define your infrastructure using code. You can automate the creation of servers, databases, and networks using templates. Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a high-performance database compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. It offers better speed and scalability compared to traditional databases. Redshift. Amazon Redshift is designed for data analytics. It allows you to analyze massive amounts of data quickly using SQL queries. Route 53. Amazon Route 53 is a domain name system service that routes users to your applications. It connects domain names to servers and ensures high availability. So, after seeing these services, it's clear that AWS offers tools for almost every part of building and running applications in the cloud. From computing and storage to networking and AI, each service plays a specific role in creating scalable and reliable systems. Oh yeah, I also made some other cool tech breakdown videos too, so don't forget to watch them later.